Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change your name on Tinder. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Tinder app. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the profile like icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner, and once you do this, you will be redirected to this page. So once you do this, you can see the pencil like icon right above your profile. So simply tap on it, and there you can find that there is no proper option to change your name. So if you're gonna tap on your particular name as well, you cannot simply do it. If you tap on settings icon, which is the gear like icon on the top right hand side of the corner, you cannot simply do it as well. So the answer to your question is, you cannot basically or directly change your name on Tinder once your profile has been created. To rectify your name or age issues, you will need to delete your current account and create a new account with the same correct informations. So once you're done with it, you can simply change your name on Tinder. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.